Have you ever wondered what bizarre creatures roamed the earth before us? Imagine, if you will, a time when the world was a vastly different place, inhabited by creatures so alien and so extraordinary, they boggle the mind. Welcome to the wondrous realm of fossils, the preserved remains or traces of animals, plants, and other organisms from the remote past. Fossils are like time capsules, holding within them the secrets of our planet's past. They serve as a testament to the grandeur and complexity of life on Earth, a record spanning billions of years. From the smallest microorganisms to the towering behemoths that once roamed our world, fossils tell us their stories, providing invaluable insights into the history of life on Earth. When we speak of fossils, we are not just talking about dinosaur bones. Fossils can be as small as a single cell or as large as a mammoth. They can be an actual body, like an insect trapped in amber, or merely an impression, like a footprint in mud that has hardened into rock. They can even be trace fossils, the signs of an organism's activity, such as burrows or feces. The chronology of fossils is a fascinating journey through time. The oldest known fossils are stromatolites, layered mounds of sediment formed by colonies of cyanobacteria. These humble organisms, which date back 3.5 billion years, were among the first life forms on Earth. They played a crucial role in creating the planet's oxygen-rich atmosphere, setting the stage for the evolution of more complex life forms. From these humble beginnings, life on Earth has evolved in myriad ways, with each era leaving its unique imprint in the fossil record. From the enigmatic Ediacaran biota of the Precambrian era to the rise of mammals in the Cenozoic, fossils allow us to piece together the grand tapestry of life's evolution. Now that we've set the stage, let's delve into the fascinating world of the most bizarre fossils ever discovered. Imagine a time when the Earth was a primordial soup, a time when the first life forms were just beginning to evolve. Picture the world as it was some 3.5 billion years ago, a world where life was just taking its first tentative steps. Amongst the oldest known fossils are the stromatolites, structures formed by the growth of layer upon layer of cyanobacteria, a type of primitive photosynthesizing bacteria. These stromatolites are our window into the past, offering us a glimpse into the early life forms that existed eons ago. They are a testament to the earliest known forms of life, a snapshot of a time when life, as we know it today, was in its infancy. They are the earliest chapters in the story of life on Earth, a story that is still being written. From these humble beginnings, life on Earth evolved into a myriad of strange and wonderful forms. Fast forward to the Cambrian period, a time of evolutionary experimentation. Imagine stepping into a world where Mother Nature herself was an artist with a wild imagination, where the rulebook of life was thrown out the window, and the most mind-boggling creatures roamed the planet. Welcome to the Cambrian period, an era around 540 million years ago, when evolution seemed to be on a creative spree. In this period, the diversity of life exploded in an event known as the Cambrian explosion. Fossils from this time provide a snapshot of the most bizarre creatures that ever lived. Take for instance the hallucigenia, a creature so strange that it seemed to have stepped out of a science fiction novel. Hallucigenia was a tiny worm-like creature, but don't let its size fool you. This creature was all kinds of strange. Picture this, a body around 3 centimeters long with 7 or 8 pairs of spiky legs and a row of tentacle-like appendages waving from its back. The head was a mystery for a long time until scientists discovered it had a simple pair of eyes and a round mouth ringed with sharp teeth. But here's the kicker. When scientists first found the fossils of hallucigenia, they were so baffled by its appearance that they reconstructed it upside down. Yes, you heard that right. The spikes were thought to be legs, and the legs were thought to be tentacles on its back. It took years of research and a lot of head scratching before they finally figured out the correct orientation of this oddball creature. And hallucigenia was not alone in its uniqueness. The Cambrian seas were filled with an array of creatures that seemed to defy logic. From five-eyed opabinia with a trunk-like nose to Anomalocaris, the giant predator with prawn-like arms and a circular mouth, the Cambrian period was a veritable parade of the weird and wonderful. The Cambrian period was a time of bizarre and fascinating creatures, but even stranger fossils awaited discovery in the millennia to come. While no discussion of fossils would be complete without mentioning the rulers of the Mesozoic era, the dinosaurs. Imagine a world populated by creatures so colossal and so diverse, they boggle the mind. These were the dinosaurs, an incredible group of reptiles that roamed our planet for over 160 million years. And while we often think of them as giant fearsome lizards, their fossils tell a different and far more fascinating story. Among the most bizarre and enlightening of these fossils are those of feathered dinosaurs. The discovery of these fossils was nothing short of revolutionary. They upended our understanding of what dinosaurs looked like, how they lived, and how they evolved. The first feathered dinosaur fossil was found in the mid-90s in China. It was a small theropod dinosaur, a group that includes the infamous Tyrannosaurus rex. But this dinosaur was different. It was covered in feathers. This dinosaur, named Sinosauropteryx, was not a bird, but it had feathers. These feathers weren't for flight. They were likely used for insulation or display, showing that feathers in dinosaurs had roles beyond just flight. Since then, countless other feathered dinosaur fossils have been unearthed, from the Velociraptor to the Utaranus, a T-Rex relative that stood at over 30 feet tall. Each of these discoveries further blurs the line between dinosaurs and birds, adding layers to the complexity of life's grand tapestry. But the strangeness doesn't stop at feathers. We've found dinosaurs with clubbed tails, dinosaurs with spiky armor, and even dinosaurs with extravagant frills and crests. Each bizarre fossil discovery paints a more vibrant picture of the Mesozoic world, a world that was as diverse and dynamic as the one we live in today. The reign of dinosaurs ended with a cataclysm, but their fossils continue to captivate us with their strangeness and grandeur. Each fossil is a testament to the incredible biodiversity of our planet, a time capsule that allows us to gaze back in time and marvel at the wonders of evolution. As we move closer to our own time, we encounter the giants of the Ice Age. These beasts, grander and stranger than anything we see today, once dominated the prehistoric landscapes. Among them, the saber-toothed cat, a predator of legendary proportions. Its elongated, razor-sharp canines were a terrifying sight, a testament to the harsh and brutal world it lived in. Then we have the woolly mammoth, a true titan of the Ice Age. Imagine an elephant, but with a shaggy coat of fur, spiraling tusks, and a hump of fat to withstand the bitter cold. Its fossils, often found remarkably preserved in the permafrost, provide us an intimate glimpse into the life of this magnificent creature. These Ice Age giants, their lives etched in stone and ice, are more than just relics of the past. They are a window into an era of extreme climates and colossal beasts. These giants roamed the earth not so long ago, and their bizarre forms continue to fascinate us. The process of fossilization continues even today, preserving the bizarre forms of contemporary life for future generations. Our planet is teeming with unique and exotic creatures, many of which are being immortalized in stone and amber even as we speak. Recent fossil discoveries have offered us a window into the present that is as fascinating as our glimpses into the past. Consider the perfectly preserved insects in amber. These tiny time capsules offer us an intimate look at the insects of today. Their physical form, their intricate details, and even their behaviors, frozen in time. Take for example the praying mantis, a fearsome predator in the insect world. Encased in amber, its ferocious visage is captured for eternity, its razor-sharp claws and keen eyes a testament to its predatory prowess. Or the delicate butterfly, its fragile wings still showing the vibrant colors and patterns that once dazzled in the sunlight. But it's not just about the insects. There are fossils being formed of plants, birds, and even mammals. Each of these discoveries is a snapshot of the world we live in today, captured in a way that future generations can study and marvel at. These recent fossils can tell us so much about the world we live in. They can give us insights into how species are adapting to changing environments, how ecosystems are evolving, and even how human activity is impacting the natural world. And so the process of fossilization continues, transforming the present into the past, and turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. It's a process that has been happening for hundreds of millions of years, and it's happening right now, under our very feet. The study of fossils, from the oldest to the most recent, is a journey into the past that gives us a deeper understanding of the world we live in today.